See, I've been on this base for maybe 10 minutes. Maybe 10 minutes or so. And I'm almost done. I got just this one little length to go. You can tell it's been painted from here down, you know. So I don't necessarily have to do the entire thing. I just want it to blend in and look acceptable. If I wanted to, I could spend the additional time and cut it in. You know, you got a little paintbrush like this, you can cut it in like that. Well, that was a little bit easier than normal, because lots of times the baseboard is painted a different color than the wall, or maybe if it is the same color, maybe the baseboard's semi-gloss, maybe the wall is eggshell or flat. In this case, it's both. It's the same color and it's the same finish, so it's a semi-gloss on the wall and the base. Okay, so with that in mind, I can go right up and do the entire thing if I want. If you're going to do that, you might want to wipe your baseboard down first. But see, this paintbrush, I don't know, it might be 1.5 inches only. You don't need a big bulky 3-inch paintbrush, cut-in brush to do this base. You just want to get some good strokes on there. Go the same direction, same amount of pressure, and get it on there. Try to make it nice and even. No runs. Last thing you want to do is put too much, like on an inside corner or along a door jamb, let's say, and then walk away. What you want to do when you get to a door jamb, when you're doing an inside corner on the door jamb, let's say the casing or something. I was painting this entire edge, let's say, and I'm just going to go up a little bit here. What you're going to want to do is, when you get all done, 5 minutes later as you're painting down the hallway or something, go back and just double check this inside edge right here. Because if you don't watch it, sometimes maybe you get a thicker edge on there, and then the paint looks fine, but then you turn around a couple minutes, it starts running. And then 15-20 minutes later, it's already got a skin on it. And if you don't pay attention, now you can't just paint that out. If you see a run within 4 or 5 minutes, you can just take your paintbrush and wipe it and blend it back in, and then you should be fine. Okay? But if that run is a half hour, you're not going to be able to do anything. You're going to have to let it set or dig it out or not do anything. You see? Speaking of runs, see this one right here? Right there. That's because there was too much paint on there. And then it ran down that way a little bit, dried up. Now that's hard. The way to fix that would be to take a sheetrock knife, gouge that out. Here's a little bit more up here. You'd have to gouge that out, recaulk this line, maybe from here on down to there. Let the caulking dry, and then take your paint and retouch this up, and then you can blend it back in. That's a way to fix that. Okay.